time for Legal Minute with the Law Office of Cooley Shrair in Springfield. We're joined by attorney Sean Willis, and we're talking about employment law. Now, last week we talked about what happens when you lose your job, but now people have lost their job. They've filed for unemployment. What's that process like for unemployment?
Well, the process has definitely been simplified from the days when you had to go to the office. You actually file a claim right online. I would advise that when you go to file the claim online, that you take a look at all the information that you're going to need before you do it, because there's a lot of identifying information you're going to have ready. But it's a pretty simple process.
And as a general rule, if you get fired, you're eligible for unemployment. If you quit your job, oftentimes you're not eligible. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. And that's actually one of the most common misunderstandings. A lot of people tell me that they never filed for unemployment because they thought that if they're fired, they don't get it, when actually
it's quite the opposite.
For most of the time, it's the opposite.
Now let's talk about when people file. How much of their paycheck can they figure to get in unemployment? And moreover, how long does unemployment last for?
Well, in general, the benefits would last 30 weeks. Sometimes the benefit can be extended under certain circumstances. And the amount that you collect is generally based 50% of what your average weekly wage was during your base period, which would be the prior 52 weeks before your last day on the job.
And if people feel like they're not being properly compensated, they can talk to you, or there's other vehicles that they can pursue also?
Absolutely. If you feel like you need some help, you should probably contact an attorney. You can handle your claim on your own, but you are entitled to have representation at the unemployment office.
Sean, it's a pleasure having you here. That's your Legal Minute, and for more information, you can call Cooley Shrair 413-781-0750 or visit CooleyShrair.com.